If every headline feels like a market cue, stop. Not all news is tradable, and most of the noise doesn't move markets sustainably. Today, I'm showing you how to spot the news that actually matters, and how I actually trade it using Nvidia Trade. None of this is financial advice, always do your own research. So why is most trading news useless? Well, most traders lose money because they react emotionally just to headlines. Financial media is designed to grab attention, create urgency, push clicks, and of course, not push profitable decisions. Forex markets don't move because of opinions, they move because of liquidity, macro data, and central bank decisions. If you don't know which news matters, you end up overtrading and chasing bad entries. That's why professional traders ignore 90% of headlines. Now, what's the news that actually moves Forex markets? There are a few major news events that consistently move currencies. These are central bank rate decisions, so that could be the Fed, ECB, BOE, inflation data, which is CPI or core CPI, employment reports such as NFP and unemployment rate, and forward guidance from policy makers. Now that is an important one because it's a lot harder to distinguish. Our sponsor today is helping businesses scale their online privacy, and that sponsor is Proxy for You. If you're automating your business online, you should definitely be using a proxy because Proxy for You is the best and most reliable proxy provider online with super reasonable and affordable prices that really just let you do whatever you want with the proxy, whether it's scraping, using bots, or just browsing the internet. So definitely check out Proxy for You in the description. And now let's get back to the video. These events reshape the currency's strength, institutional positioning, and multi-week trends. If it's not on the high impact calendar, most professionals will typically ignore it. Now, once you've got your news, you want to be using charts to confirm, and confirm rather than chase. News gives direction, not entries. So professional traders mark key supports and resistance levels, identify liquidity zones, and wait for price confirmation after the news. If price doesn't respect structure after the release, there's no trade. This is how you avoid getting trapped in fake breakouts and headline whipsaws. Now, once we've got all of this down, where do we execute the trade? Where does the trade actually happen? Well, I use my favorite broker, NvidiaTrade.com. Once I have a macro bias from the news and confirmation on the charts, I execute my trades on Nvidia Trade. Now, why do I use this broker? Well, it's a Forex first broker, but they also do crypto as well. So you don't have to go between tabs and exchanges. You've got everything all in one place. It's also got tight spreads for major sessions, stable execution during volatile news releases, and of course, they have analysis and news on the site too. But typically, analysis happens elsewhere and then execution will happen there. Now, why does macro news matter for crypto as well? Well, crypto isn't isolated anymore. Interest rates, inflation, and risk sentiment now affect USD pairs, indices, and crypto assets like BTC and Ethereum. That's why I apply the same macro framework across these markets. Using one broker for both Forex and crypto makes it easier to manage exposure without jumping between platforms. So let's summarize this and why we're filtering noise into real opportunity. Here's the full framework. Number 1, ignore social media hype. Number 2, focus on high impact macro events. Number 3, confirm direction with technical structure. Number 4, execute cleanly with a reliable broker such as Nvidia Trade. And number 5, trade less but with conviction. This is how professionals survive long term. Now, if you want to trade Forex seriously and still have access to crypto when macro conditions align, check out Nvidia Trade. That is where I personally place my trades, and honestly, it's a fantastic broker. Trade the news that matters and let the rest be noise. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.